In this video, we will discuss third overloaded method of grouping by, which is grouping by classifier, map factory, and downstream. So example of this is, here what we are doing is that we are providing a linked hash map : new as a map factory, and which resulted in the output of linked hash map. And the results is same. So now let's implement this example in IntelliJ. To implement the example of third overloaded method of grouping by, what we'll do is that we will copy the grouping example2 and then paste it inside the stream and then change this to 3. Now let's look into the grouping by method definition. And then if you look at this method definition, it internally, so even though we are providing two arguments, which first one is the function and classifier and the second one is downstream, it is converting internally into a classifier and a factory, hash map, new, and then downstream. So what we are going to do is that we are going to override this, and instead of this we'll provide our own implementation using linked hash map. So let's do that. So what we will do is that here we will create linked hash map and : new, and this will override the hash map to the linked hash map, and we can change this to linked hash map also. And similarly over here, linked hash map : new, and change from map to linked hash map. Now let's run this example. So you can see that the results are same. So this was the implementation of third overloaded grouping by method, where we have to provide 3 arguments.